Mama, this one for you. My mama cried cause she worry and she calling to me. I told my mama, wipe them tears, we just gotta believe. I've seen too many of my brothers rise and fall in the streets. Swear I'ma ball and find a way out as I hop on these beats. Mama, you don't gotta cry no more. Mama, you the one that I adore. Love is forever and I'm always yours. Mama, you don't gotta cry no more. Wake up, it's the first of the month. My bro is trying to make a play with the pack of them run. 12, pull them to the side, pop the back of the trunk. 30 bands, couldn't beat the case and been home for months. Bro, he was moving and jugging the packs in. He got locked and arrested. Got a little bit famous with text from my exes. I'm deleting the message. I don't have no hard feelings, we're holding any grudges, cause the past was a lesson. Heard some people been looking for me cause they jealous. So my bro carry a weapon, yeah. My life crazy, going through changes, and I love it, it's amazing. Came a long way from that basement. Cut the chicken, he's sending these payments. Me and mama used to share a room, sleeping on the floor.